you're looking at how to pronounce these words in English. We'll be looking at how to say more related words and generally more confusing vocabulary as well that many get confused by in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So let's see how you pronounce this word and break down the pronunciation. Conscious. Con. You want to stress on that first syllable. Conscience. Conscience. Let's hear an example of sentence using this word. Philosophers have a deep, there's a typo here, deep conscience of the human condition. Conscience is how you pronounce it. Did you get this? Conscience. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations in English words that some of you may have been mispronouncing. If you're interested, I'll see you there. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.